Oh yeah, get in there. Nice. Give me that. Get in there.
Ooh,
Nice, good hit. Perfect hit. I'm about to kiss somebody.
oh
Yes.
yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
No.
yeah.
Brianna. Where are you going? Golly, where are you going? Why'd you hit it that way? Oh, probably because of that. Ow. It's fine. Perfect setup for me. Yay! Yay!
Nope.
That's fine. It's fine. I already bought the better cam for my app on my phone, so literally 1080p now.
Hello?
Yo,
Hi,
Dakota.
Dakota.
You can hear me?
Yeah, you're kind of loud, but I got you.
Oh, no, I got a new setup now.
What you got?
It's not gonna mess up now. It's not gonna mess up.
Poggers.
Dakota,
Alright,
no.
here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, Dakota loves, me and Dakota used to do this all the time. That's cool.
I'm scared.
Oh wait, that was not a good
Oh,
drawing.
dude.
You have no idea what this is.
Oh,
Studying?
no.
Oh, playing around?
Mhm.
Huh? Playing around?
Oh my god.
Okay, it's a body part.
I think you're the only one who's gonna know this.
Kidney.
Oh, kidney.
You have two kidneys.
No, but I had kidney failure.
Kidneys look like beans. They don't look like tenderloin.
Oh,
Oh, I know it.
Oh.
Dang, you should've just drew Brianna. Got him. Oh, I got it. Oh.
Oh.
All the books are red. This is relevant for today.
Oh. Oh, I didn't have time.
For those of you here, this is the mustache. This is our good luck mustache. Vivid Voltage. Brand new pack came out yesterday. And we're hoping for the big fat Pikachu. About to be some high quality stuff right here. Alright, Abner, are you here? I think you are. Oh, I gotta refocus it. Actually, let me just put on autofocus. Nice. Alright, this is the thing that comes with the... What is it called? The player's guide? Oh man, dude, if we get that fat Pikachu. Alright, here we go. Here's Big Daddy. The moment we've all been waiting for. Big Fatty. We need him.
Oh, big Pikachu.
Yeah. Here we go. I'll stop stalling. Oh, he's shiny. I don't know if you guys can even see that. He's like, no, you guys can't. You can see his eyeball kind of glistening. Alright, here we go. Stop stalling. Alright, so we got the booster packs here. Okay, let's start with this. Sleeves. And we got two of these. We're just going to do this on the first one because we'll know what's in the second one. So sleeves, pretty cool. I'm actually going to open mine now. We got a code card. This is a good code card. So whoever's the lucky winner of this, I'll leave it up for a second. We got our energies that are worth nothing. Here's our 8 booster packs. Oh. And we got this. What is this? Oh, it's... No, this is the gaming rules. Yeah, the trading card game rules. Okay, we got the dice, deck dividers for this so I can put all my cards in here. Alright, first pack. Come on now. Oh, it started off with my favorite artwork for this pack. Well, for a common card. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 4 to the front. We got the card. You guys can use that code. Alright, 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Alright. Energy. Nuzleaf. Wash energy. Bathtub. Dadine, I think that's how I say it. Weedle. Drillbur, another cool pack art, or cool art. Clefairy. See, I think this is our... Nope, not yet. Whalmer. Okay, reverse Stunfisk. Stunfisk. And our last one is...
Bruh.
Alright, here we go. Next pack.
Instead of flipping the deck over, like right here, like just pull the last card out.
Oh yeah, so you can't see.
Yes,
Good thinking, good thinking. Alright, here's the code. So, I don't know a lot of people who play the actual card game online, but there it is. Just in case. Alright, we're gonna do 4 to the front. Alright, our Fire Energy. That might be good luck. We'll see. League Staff. Kurokoroka. Energy. Shuppet. Skiddo. Joltik. Sandile. C-Dot. Blitzel. Reverse. Oh my goodness, we got a Surfetched. Look at that. Oh wait, we gotta watch this, Dakota, watch.
That mustache.
Hey, look at that. Bonjour.
Your deck things.
Cool, man. Okay, put this guy aside.
That's a good pull.
That is a good pull. Next pack. Oh, another one. It starts with the Dine. Alright. So take the code
Thank
card
you.
out.
I'm still working on it.
Do 4 to the front. I'm so scared of messing that up, because if I mess it up, the good one's gonna be in the front. Water Energy. Okay. Zebra. Nice. Energy. Heroes Metal. Okay, that's pretty cool. Drillbur. Clefairy. Whalmer again. Okay, Reverse Hollow Drone Rotom. Next. Oh, another one. Big forehead guy. There we go. Here we go. Next pack. Oh. Here we go. Code card. Alright, see what we got out of here. 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Fighting Energy. Kakuna. Bathtub. Stunfish, we have the reverse hollow of that. Shuppet. Skiddo, skid marks. Joltik. Why does this feel like the same exact pack we just did? Or we did earlier? C-Dot. Okay, this is cool. Reverse hollow mag cargo. And next is... Nice. A hollow Dusknor. Dusknor? Cool, I'll take that. Normal hollow. Oh, we got a fish. Or a tadpole or something. Alright, code card. Okay, 4 to the front. that was 4, yep. Energy. Come on, Fat Pikachu. Hitmontop. I haven't seen this card, actually. Swoobat. Mag Cargo. Just got a reverse rare. Tadpole Guy. Execute. Chatot. That guy. Spike Ball. Giraffe. Reverse Hollow. And... Zapdos Hollow. Nice. Hollow. Yep, this is a cool one. In the sleeve. Hunter, when you went to Walmart, how many Vivid Voltage like booster packs did they have? Well, I looked earlier and they were sold out. So like 3 hours ago. I just looked at this as the bad one. But we'll see what we get. Code card. Energy, because we just got a Zapdos. Oh, Spider Guy, Swellow, League Staff, Picky Peck, Horsey, Spider, Weedle, that guy. Okay, Choodle, I like this one. Reverse Hollow. Next, Beedrill. It is a rare, so I'll put him in the rare.
That turtle looks cool though.
Yeah, I like that turtle. Anything aquatic, I'm gonna like out of here. So, okay, not gonna look at the code this time, or the thing. Here's the code. Do 4 to the front. I think that's 4. Yeet. And Leaf Energy. Drone Rotom. We have the reverse hollow of that. Swoobat. Loudred. Bird. Dragonfly. Wooper. Choodle again. Picky Peck. Charizard. Reverse hollow. PogChamp. Holy cow. And our last card is... Cool. Charizard. You just go to it.
No.
Yes, you are. Come on now. Oh. Alright, let's see what we got here.
What is that?
Last pack. Good.
I didn't say anything. Bro, you
Coda.
just got one bad pack.
I'm about to kiss you.
Oh.
Alright, here we go. I looked at it. Bad one. It's okay though. We might get a good hollow again. Code card. 4 to the front. Alright. Psychic Energy. Sunfisk. Sableye. Carrot Bird. Cool. I like that one. Tadpole. Execute. Or Eggcute. Oh no, it's Execute. Punching Boxing Gloves guy. Spike Ball. Okay, we got a Meowth reverse. Cool. And Flareon. And next, Hunter's gonna open his packs. Alright, this is Champion's Path. I think it was what? It was 15 you said?
Yeah.
Alright, Champion's Path, what can we get out of there, Hunter? Charizard?
That's what I'm aiming for. It's either the shiny promo Charizard or it's a cool holographic. Or the rainbow rare.
Could be a good one. Here we go. Charizard, come on now.
The choke. We got the choke here. We got Rotom Bite. Wow. Absol.
Purloin. Rock
Rockruff.
roll.
Vulpix. Zigzagoon. But that's the the Galarian, which is like a whole different. What's it called there?
Altaria. Okay, let's see what we have next. Up.
Reverse Hatterene.
Oh, there's another card in there.
That's
Oh, synergy. Okay, got you. All right, that's a hollow. Sweet.
I can do this because it's on backwards.
Yep. Good thinking.
Anyone ever wants that? I threw it. It's spun in the air.
I couldn't see it.
Oh, it's spun.
Mm.
Can't practice little cards.
All right, speak up a little. They want to hear you. Energy.
I'm gonna start guessing energies.
Buggers.
Got some steel energy. Kaboom, return. Victini. Pokemon Center Lady. Proloid. Sizzlepede. Full Heal. Trubbish. Galarian Zigzagoon. Lightning Rock is our reverse. And Obstagoon. Reverse. I mean, not reverse. Just hollow.
You there, Brianna?
Yeah.
You there, Dakota?
Mm-hmm.
All right, all right, all right.
I don't remember for a second.
So I'm guessing with these online code cards, it said Champions Path, so I guess you get a whole Champions Path pack when you do it online.
Same cards in the pack.
Why are you open? That's so weird.
I'm more
Lightning. That means you get an electric Charizard.
Sonia, Great Wall, Full Heal, wow, Linoon, you know, Vulpix, right, Rockruff, Reverse Hat Trim,
Okay, reverse Mushroom Lady, and
Block
that's cool art. What is that thing? Octopus?
Yep.
Well, that's all the Champions Path ones, and they have a code card in there.
Oh, yep. And back here. Here you go.
All right, now for the second Vivid Voltage pack. Put bring your octopus down a little.
Ah, I got to see this.
Bad back on the right side. Just bring it down. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Put the mustache on that bad boy.
Patrick is 4 on this one too.
Yeah, it's 4.
Watch this. Fairy energy.
Would you say fairy?
Yeah. You keep these on the desk.
Yeah, you just saw this. I just want to keep yours too.
Fire energy. Heroes metal. Hitmon top. Crocorock. Hollow. Noko. Pinnacle. Oshawott. Sandile. Fairy. Reverse hollow. Beedrill. And
Jolteon. Cool.
a non-hollow Jolteon.
For anyone new here, hit the follow button, and I plan on doing more of these, probably like maybe once or twice weekly. It depends how often me and Hunter get
This is probably
packs.
a little bit for me because prices add up.
It's gonna be hard now though, because Vivid Voltage came out yesterday, and they just stocked their Walmart with Vivid Voltage, and it's already sold out today. So even the booster packs like by themselves. So
That's just like the PlayStation.
kinda, yeah. Except the PlayStation actually released on the right day, before our Walmart released today. Leaf Energy. Carrot bird.
Cramorant is what its name is. Dromatom. Swoobat. Rockruff. Ferroseed. Dedenne. Driller. Oshawott. Reverse is a Woobat. And our rare is a
Executor.
Executor.
I don't think I got that one. But I remember him when I used to play Pokemon.
And Kata. He has a couple of evolution options. Here's a code card. This is one.
I like how it said 6 pounds at the end as the letters.
Two.
Come on, fat Pikachu, please. Please.
One. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Steel.
Oh man, this did flash. Ferrothorn.
Oh, it's the fancy spike ball.
Goes out. Gargo, however you pronounce it. Careless. Careless.
That guy again.
Kata again.
You already had. Frober.
Whalmer. Cottony.
Cool. Reverse hollow Lucario.
Bruh.
Non-hollow X-Cloud.
Alright, Dakota, if he gets a Pikachu, you have to kiss me on the lips. Deal?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Hunter? You know what to do. Oh my god.
What kind of energy do you think it is?
Fire.
I'm gonna say leaf.
Fighting. Bruh.
Bruh.
Another fighting.
Stone Edge. Shuckle.
Hmm?
Cramorant. Cottony.
I like that one.
Yankata. Pipipek. Puccina. Reverse is a Ferrothorn.
Fancy spike ball. Reverse and oh man, I thought it was red for a second.
Hollow. Lycanroc.
I need like an ASMR mic for next to the Pokemon card so you can hear it open.
Hopefully it's nothing too special because it's got that tiny little nick at the top. You guys can see it. So that'd suck if that was the super coolest card in the world. Oh, there's a leaf energy. Oh, there's a coding energy. Whatever that means. There's so many energies now in the game. Shuckle. Delmise. Never seen that guy before. Ninkata. Wooper. Whismer. Driller. Whalmer. Reverse is a
Bathtub.
man.
Oh man. Where's McDonald's?
Then you said, "Where's the money?" No, that's not money.
Where's the money, Lebowski?
I don't know.
Charmander, cool. I'm jealous of that.
Yeah, that card's worth $50. Okay, energy. You say water. Oh, fighting you. Wah, wah.
Fighting again, 2 times in a row.
B. B.
Giraffe.
Terrafin. Moo cheese. Is that chocolate?
Oh, you lucky dog. And you got some behind it? Or do you?
Yeah, I got some fancy.
Oh my
behind it.
goodness.
Let's see it. What's it gonna be?
Okay.
Used
to be.
Awesome.
Dude, that the Raikou,
I wanted that card.
what was that, 12 bucks? Something like that? Even more?
How hard
That was
is
a
it?
fire pack.
That might have made it all worth it. Those bad ones before.
Yeah, Raikou looks
I don't
really
know
cool.
if you guys can see that, but it's almost like textured on the rainbow. Just the rainbow part of the card though. Oh, and down here in the
Watch.
like in the energy department. It's all
Yeah, it's spread throughout the whole thing. That's so cool. Show the main one. Oh yeah, baby.
that's my favorite out of 3 cats. Raikou.
That's
Kinda.
Let's see the
the
backwards.
best card.
Yeah, that's the best card so far, definitely.
That was pretty funny. That's what it was. Oh, I'm messing with these cards more.
They probably saw it.
Oh, I got something fancy.
Checking the replay.
There's a code card for you.
No, they couldn't see.
Rascals.
It was blurry.
2, 3, 4. Is it 4?
Yep, it's 4. Oh, Nelly.
No, it's gonna be big because that's the energy on the front. What's this?
Steel?
Yep, same steel. Nope.
Fighting again. Holy cow.
Alright. Fighting. Oh my god.
Beauty. Ooh, I'm gonna need that after we're done with this.
Me too.
Oh, wait, let me move the mustache.
Go like that. She got belt with her shirt.
Another fighting. Holy cow.
Shuck. Ninkata. Oh, it's a sign. Picky Peck. Puccina. Skiddo. Blitzel. Reverse is a Whooper.
Reverse Hollow Whooper. Ooh.
Oh, a shiny Aegis slash VMAX.
Oh, that's cool. Let's see. Nice. I think that's cool.
Momentarily.
All right, tell me how to spell it. Oh.
AEGISLASH VMAX.
Last pack. Make sure you guys follow the stream. We're probably gonna be opening more sometime this week, maybe at the end of this week. So make sure you follow.
Code card for you rascals. It's in water. Oh,
Lightning.
lightning. Whoa. Jeepers creepers.
Actually, it's electric, not lightning.
Alistair. Camarant. God, I had so many of those cards. Nessa. Woobat. Beldum.
Felton.
Metagross would be absolutely.
Oh, the rainbow Metagross.
No carry. That's weird. Skiddo.
Reverse.
Sluggish is reverse. That is very poor.
What we got on the end?
Bruh.
Ah, Quag.
Hello, Quagsire.
Quagsire.
Quack, quack. And then,
I think I covered some of mine.
highlight of my box opening.
Oh, man. Yep, those two made it worth it. I got a reverse hollow Charizard. I'll check the price on that right after this. A hollow Zapdos. Yep. We got, I don't know why that's in there. That goes over here. We got Big Forehead, and we have this Surfetched. I think this looks so cool. I'll always tweet what I do on my stream, so if you guys want to follow my Twitter, I'll always tweet it out, especially Pokemon openings. I'll actually tweet twice that day if I'm opening Pokemon, so. You guys have a good one. Hit the follow button, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye. Say bye, Dakota.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Brianna.